Hi, today we'll be talking about develop a strong mind. It motivation for you very good going to. It can't be a one time thing. It must be an obsession. Whatever you want to in life, you can get. Whatever you want to your future, you great. You want to be great thing. You must be obsession with reaching your goal, obsession with education, self-education, growth, self-growth, obsession with improving every single day, obsession with becoming the greatest version of yourself. It's a healthy obsession on the process. You out of your comfort zone, you possess you beyond what others thought. What's possible for you turn every you now and then, every single day turn your passion into obsession, turn your should into must obsession. When I am never satisfied, I never contact, I will not accept average. I will work until the outcome in mind. I will go above and beyond. I don't believe I limitation and I don't seek lack, I see goal. I develop my plan, I type in, I do the work and I get the reward. In life you get the choice and everyone wants success or not. Everyone is complicated. I am not happy. I am for you all of those who are contact, but I am not talking to them right now. I am talking to all of you who want to more out of life, those who want to push the limit to see how far you can in life, how great you can become, how much you can achieve. I am talking to all of those who go after. Most people don't. Most people sit on their ideas, but crazy people be get work, we get obsession, we get start. Don't stop when we get going. We must finish and we must finish fast. When we doing anything, we must do it better than anyone. When many people these are addicted to all of sort of your bad habits, drugs, alcohol, nightlife. My addiction is success, my addiction is work, my addiction is result, my addiction is growth. I tell you, pay off is much better than advertisement alternative. If you want to do something in life, I mean you really want to something. You want to bad, you want to sad, you can do it. But you can't be one time thing. You must be obsession. You can't be go in life, go will one time. But you fail, give up. You can't have any options out. You must be all a think. You must be obsessed. You must be dedicated and certain. You will get what you want to. When I thought I don't support, when I get going to must finish one. I must finish first. When I do anything, must be do it better than anyone. Get obsessed about everything you want to. Your life you get. You don't want to spend the rest of life making excuse about myself. You might do. Why you did not, you that. You get the life you why. You want to their friend. Last to find the life path which conscious. So you will choose to walk. So I will tell